was the smart person that told society that women could become a cop? Women should not be cops. First of all, women are really catty, and they're mean. They're very mean to weird people.
Hey, how are you? So yeah.
What's going on, man?
What's that?
What's going on?
What do you mean?
Do you have a reason that you're standing in here right now?
Oh, well, you seem a little bit aggressive.
No, I'm not being aggressive. I'm being forward.
No, you came up to me very
Okay, so they asked you to leave. You can stand outside and do whatever you want outside. Okay, but you can't be in here. Okay, you have no purpose for here.
Oh, yeah, I do.
No, what's your purpose then?
But you assumed I didn't have a purpose before you even asked.
Okay, because they've already told me what's going on. So what is your purpose for being here?
But as an officer, you're supposed to investigate both sides of the story.
Okay, so that's why I'm asking you. What are you here for?
But you weren't investigating both sides at first.
I'm asking you right now.
Oh yeah, I'm just doing my butterfly boy business. I'm with the Free Press.
Okay.
So yeah, just looking at some stuff and then I'll be out soon.
Out soon? Okay, so you got your little whatever that is. So.
Oh yeah, it's about Charlestown.
Okay. Okay, so you have your pamphlet. They asked you to leave. Okay, so you need to leave.
Okay, but I'm with the Free Press though. I'm just doing butterfly boy stuff.
You're trespassing. You have no reason to be here. Standing in here. They asked you to leave, so you need to leave.
Oh, okay. Isn't this a publicly owned building? Is it?
Yeah, but if you have no business to be here,
I do.
Then you need to leave.
Oh yeah, I'm doing butterfly boy first. Hey officer, how are you? Hey, how are you, officer? I'm saying hi, officer. How are you?
What's going on?
I'm saying hi to him. He's not even responding.
To conduct in the city. He's going around in places that are not accessible to the public, and he's filming everyone and just flapping around in here.
The only thing she said that was true was the flapping part. Flapping around.
What are you doing here?
Sir, you didn't even say hi to me. You came in very aggressive.
What are you doing here?
Can you say hi to me first?
No, what are you doing here?
I just want to say hi.
Leave.
No, it's a public.
You want a citation for trespassing?
No, but it's not.
Okay, then you need to leave. Okay.
I'm
being very nice. I'm sure they were nice to you to tell you to leave.
You're being very aggressive with
Oh, I'm not being aggressive.
You guys are being very aggressive with
Oh, I'm not being aggressive.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I see. Your eye contact is very aggressive.
My eye. Okay, come on.
But I'm
Time to leave. Let's go. Come on.
Business.
No, I don't want that. Go.
You're gonna be in handcuffs in a minute. Let's go.
No, officer,
You've been given an order to leave.
I'm just with
No,
the
we're done talking. Out.
Why are you yelling at me right now?
Because you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. So walk out.
Why are you being very aggressive? No, I'm just shutting
Do you want to
up.
go to jail? Is that what you want instead?
No, I don't
You want a citation? Then you need to leave.
Go. Tired of dealing with you. Find another place to go.
Why did you touch butterfly boy like
Find
that?
another place to go.
You put me in a wrist lock and you bent my wrist.
Move.
I'm going that way. You guys were mean to butterfly boy. I will flip, but why did you guys assault me like that? You guys bent butterfly boy's wrist. You guys fragile wrist. Why are you guys surrounding me like that? Do you have a phone? Can I use your phone? I want to call 911.
No, you have a phone in your hand.
Why are you
We're
yelling?
done.
Why are you
Do not
yelling?
go back in there. All right? You
Yeah.
can walk around outside and do whatever you want outside, okay? But you cannot go back in there. Do you understand? If you go back in there, you're going to go to jail. You understand me?
Go
Go back in there, you'll be arrested for obstructing. You understand me?
For what?
For obstructing.
Well, what
I'm
was-
giving you a lawful order not to go back in there. So if you go back in there, you're going to jail.
People's homes and just open the doors and walk on in.
No, not homes. Just only if I'm doing First Amendment protected butterfly.
I'm tired about the First Amendment. That's all we hear.
You're tired about rights?
If you go back in there, you're gonna get arrested.
What would the charge be, sir?
Obstructing.
We'll be trespassing first, and then probably obstructing. I'm guessing.
Yeah.
But you've been given an order not to go back in, so if you go back in,
Women
you're
cops are
trespassing.
super dumb. I mean, what woman in their right mind would walk through the middle of the hood alone and walk right to the middle of a water fight battle? Who? Who? This dummy. This dummy did just that.
Can y'all do me a favor and please stay out of the street, okay? I don't care that y'all are doing what y'all are doing, all right? Just let traffic go by, okay? This is like the 10th time we've been out here today. Y'all got to clear out of the street, okay? I don't care that y'all are having fun, all right? You just got to clear out of the street. We got to get out of the street. Yes, I don't care that y'all are having fun, all right? But this is the 10th time. This is the 10th time that we've been out here today, okay? I can't keep coming out here. I know it's fun, okay? Y'all are having fun, all right? Just clear out of the middle of the street. Let traffic get by. Look, y'all got to stay out of the street, okay? This is like the 10th time we've been out here today. Y'all got to stay out of the street, all right? I don't want to be back. So y'all just do me a favor, stay out of the street, okay? I don't care that y'all are doing what y'all are doing, all right? Just let traffic through, okay? No.
I just was like, boy, you lucky.
I mean, I expected it. After I read the call sheet, I was like, whatever.
You want
Hey, y'all just stay out of the street, okay? Let traffic through. I don't care what y'all...
Hold on. I want you to go get LPD, task force. Tell them to come through. Tell them we ready.
The task force? Oh, okay.
Now she turns around to go back from where she came from, and you can tell that the crowd got a little bit rougher, a little bit more rowdier. So at this point, if it was me, I would just walk straight past them without saying a word. But watch what happens. And look on the left-hand side. You see her? Right there. She falls down right there, right in the mud. The only mud there is in the whole place she falls down in. She loses her body cam. That's the body cam. Somebody picked it up and gave it back to her, and now she's going to walk back to her partners.
I'm going to have to go home and change.
If you're still here, that means you like this kind of content. So thanks for staying, guys. But if you're new to this kind of content, all this is a little bit overwhelming and strange, right? And if you're new, we all know something that you don't know, probably. We all know that this lady should have never walked through that environment all by herself. And the guys probably know that too. And they probably don't even like working with her because she's a woman. But she's still part of their team. And they can't let that go because after all, they're all in the same gang. And as soon as I thought that, I looked, and all of a sudden this guy starts pulling on gloves, that guy starts putting on gloves, and we know what happens when they put on gloves. So leave a comment. For those of you who don't know what happens when they put on gloves, you'll see in the comments why they put gloves on. Are they going to be the knights in shining armor? Or did this woman just cause all these kids to have to go to jail today? Thirdly, when they're cussed for a while and they're used to getting their own way all the time over the citizens, they become really confident. So confident that they decide to shoplift $750 worth of stuff. There's no way she's talking her way out of this one.
Okay.
Resisting? I had my gun.
I know, but for the safety of everybody else.
I had my gun. I'm protecting my gun.
Who are you?
SCPD.
Okay. We're out of...
That's what I was holding.
Okay. Out of where? What office?
Mental health.
Hold up. She works in the mental health unit.
Out of where? What office?
Mental health.
Okay.
I went out there to use the phone.
Can I get a sergeant to my location? Okay.
Where's my purse? Look, all my cash is in there. Right there.
Okay.
God, dude.
So let's go to the office. We'll deal with it in there, okay? 312.
Shit, man. All I was doing was
312,
using
just let them know we're
phone.
going to be in the loss prevention office and we're just going to be waiting in there for the time being. And can I get him on Delta? Or who is it that's coming so I can call him? Escalator? 10-4, just let me know I'm going to be calling him. One step at a time, okay? If there's nothing, then it's nothing. But you know as well as I do how we have to deal with it, right?
No, I know.
Okay.
I wasn't resisting. I was holding my gun.
And that may be, but we still
Yeah.
got to take it a step at a time.
Yes, sir. Can you please start us with DS9?
On, just try and relax and let me take care of the rest of this, okay? So what happened?
She picked her up on camera.
Yeah, on the CCTV. Selecting this one. She already had this one. We got a call from the associate that she was walking away with it. Just standard, we start watching them once they walk away from the area. She goes downstairs, and she goes to the home department. At this point, he starts floor surveillance, and we got her concealing this one and this one into the bag in the home department. She exits the home department and then goes towards the men's fragrance, and then she selects this one and walks straight out with it. And then at that point, we approached her and identified ourselves, and she started resisting from there.
Okay. Resisting how? I
Resisted,
gotta ask.
Oh, she resisted. Like, she wasn't following her commands to come back in the store. She didn't want to move. I'm like, ma'am, I don't want to have to put you in cuffs. Just come back with us. And she just kept tensing up. And she says, I have a gun on me, blah, blah, blah. I'm messing with you. So I put her hands behind her back for safety reasons.
Yeah.
She started resisting right away, saying, no, I'm not coming back, blah, blah, blah. And we just kept on, telling her, ma'am, it's not a big deal. Just put your hands behind your back. We don't want to do this. And finally, bystanders helped out, detain her. Her gun actually fell out of her side waist with the gun in holster on the ground. At that point, I don't know, what's going to happen because her arm is still loosed out.
She put her foot on it. She was stepping on it. So the associate went and grabbed it.
Okay.
To, secure it and everything.
That's
fine. Get her detained, put her hands behind her back. At this point, I'm asking her, what's your badge number if you're an officer? And she's like, no, I'm not giving it to you. And she hides her badge. At that point, I'm on dispatch already with 911. And I give them the badge number once I finally see it. And I asked her if she had any other weapons on her. She kept reaching different ways. And that's when she took out the knife from her waistband.
Okay.
Her pocket. I kept asking her, why is she studying, blah, blah, blah. She's saying that she wasn't walking out. She didn't know she was walking out. She kept saying that she didn't know she was walking out. I'm like, man, you finally. She goes, where's the place to pay? And I said, way over here. And she goes, I'm like, you walked out way over there, already about to turn the corner, going toward the Starbucks. I mean.
Okay. What's the total right now?
Total, I gotta get you the total.
$750. That's how much the total was. $750 worth of perfume. So do you get what I mean when I say women should never be cops? So thanks for watching. See you next time.
Oh, there's Twinkie yet. Speaking of the devils, speaking of the two devils, they're back. Yo, she's significantly taller than him. I've never seen them both standing up.
Yeah, they opened it not too long ago, just a week ago, I think.